Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today is day 8 of my 30-day challenge to post a YouTube video every day during the month of September. And in this video, we're going to try to create a wiring harness for the coinbot. And here on the workbench in front of me, you can see all of the things that we're going to need in order to get this done. On the left, I have a set of female JST connectors. On the right is a set of male JST connectors. I have my X-Acto knife, a pair of side cutting pliers, a calibrated wire stripper, and a calibrated crimper. The first thing that I need to do is just strip the ends of the wire so there's a little bit of stranded wire hanging off the end there. You can see that I put the wire in the number 18 slot, and I'm just going to strip that back. And this is just about the perfect length for that. One of the tabs on the JST connector is going to hold on to that bare metal, and the other tab is going to hold on to the insulation of the wire. And I'll show you that in just a minute. But I'm going to do this for all 3 wires on both ends. There you go. You can see that both ends of the wire are stripped back, that perfect amount. These are the male pins. And I'm going to just clip them off one at a time. This first tab is going to be to hold on to the insulated portion of the wire. This holds on to the wire itself. And this third portion, you should not have any wire protruding past that. There's a little tab on it right there, and that is what holds it into place on the plastic connector. We're going to try to get that insulation right on the first tab there, and the wire to be held by the second tab. So that is roughly what you want it to look like. You want the first tab holding onto the insulation, and the second tab holding onto the wire itself. And that's how you're going to attach each one of these pins. Now I bought a set of calibrated crimpers, and you want to stick the pin so that the back of the pin is aligned with the edge of the crimpers. You can see on the other side that the pin is just sticking out, and then you're going to squeeze it until it releases. And that is a completed crimp. Okay, so I've been messing around with this for about 45 minutes off camera, trying to get just the first 3 pins installed. It did not go well. So you can see that I have a male connector on one end and a female connector on the other. And after I got one of the pins inserted, the wire actually broke. So I think we're going to call this video a fail. Unfortunately, I couldn't get it to work in time, and we need to get this video posted, and it's getting kind of late. So if you have any feedback for me about how to make these videos better, or suggestions about how to install these JST pins, please let me know down below in the comments. But for now, that's my 2 cents. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.